situation. I don't want to take all the time myself. Interaction. I want to do interaction between you and myself. You can ask any doubt, any question, and you from the audience can answer for that question and give solution for that problem. Afterwards, I am talking and giving solution. First and foremost thing, the greatest, listen to me carefully, the greatest problem we are facing, what is that? President, what is your name? Oh, good name. Think and tell. What is the greatest problem now we are facing, all the world? COVID. I am very happy to speak here to you. What is the main reason for the COVID virus? Who is responsible for the COVID virus? Scientists. Who created? Come on, tell. Who created? Youth, girls, boys. 50 years person also youth. So we are all young persons, including myself also. Although the body completing 80 years, last March 5th, entered the body completed 80 years and entered 81, running 81 years. But I am always 18. That is the secret of yoga, Sanatana yoga, practice yoga. So, what is the main reason for the creation of virus, coronavirus? Who are responsible? Scientists, intellectuals, scientists. God has given us intelligence for what purpose? To do good for the society, to make the people happy, healthy, to solve the problems of the people. So on March 5th, on the 80th birthday of this body, I declared, I requested, I demanded the intellectuals of the world, oh intellectuals of the world, don't use your intelligence to create a dreadful virus like coronavirus hereafter. If you want to create anything, create a virus which makes all the people healthy, happy. We have to command them, all the people on the earth, unitedly. We have to demand the intellectuals, scientists, not to create coronavirus. Only if you want to create HIV virus, which makes the people healthy, wealthy. But 6 years. Today also, all the people wearing masks. So we will discuss afterwards. The greatest danger is intelligence, perverted intelligence means intelligence being used for wrong things, to destroy. How much money all the countries are putting into the hands of the intellectuals and scientists to create dreadful weapons. That's why a day has come. India should keep the highest position, Vishwaguru Sthan in the world, and it has to unite all the countries, all the heads of the countries, and India has a responsibility to do one thing. What is that? Having international conference, global summit for peace and good health. It must be done in India. We have to unite United States of America and India. I have compared India as the heart of the Mother Earth, and USA is the brain of the Mother Earth. There should be cooperation and coordination between the mind and heart. Then the whole body will be in a healthy condition. Same way, in the same way, if America and India comes closer and closer, and if there is cooperation and coordination between the two countries, the whole world will be peaceful. It is the real truth.
Yes.
It will happen. Certainly 100% it will happen. That is AI, artificial intelligence, not artificial intelligence. America, India, if they combine, merge, that is the artificial intelligence. We can create anything to get peace and solace and good health for every person on the earth. Don't forget the Mother Earth. We are getting everything from the Mother Earth and we are forgetting. But Mother Earth is giving and forgiving us. She is giving big hug. Mother Earth is big hug. It is big hug. What is that hug? What is that big hug? What is that big hug? Come on, tell. Gravitation. Gravitation. So don't forget the Mother Earth. Mother Earth is the base for all the countries, for all the people. So if Mother Earth does not want to give hug, we have to go like that. No America, no Australia, no India, nobody is there. That is my proclamation. Don't forget the Mother Earth. Awake, arise, and unite for protecting the Mother Earth. I have given the slogan. Awake, arise, and
unite for protecting the Mother Earth.
come on. Awake, arise, and
Unite for protecting the Mother Earth. Unite for protecting.
for what purpose? For protecting the Mother Earth. Come on. Talk. You can think and you can ask. Afterwards.
Om Sri Sai Ram Gurudev Datta. I met Swamiji in late 60s. I cannot forget the day I met him and the impression I got speaking to him at the time. I remember quite clearly that day. He not only inquired about my goals and asked me what I would be doing in my career. By His grace, I was able to achieve those goals, did what I wanted to do here, educate myself, settle myself, and with his blessings, was able to settle many families. Hope those branches that developed from this small root will make more and more branches and make people's lives better. And that was what I was aspiring to. And by Swamiji's grace, I was able to do that. And when we started Vishwamandira, again we both, my wife and I, were able to go visit Vishnu Mandir and fortunately touched the feet of his mother at the time. We were very much thrilled to see his goal to make the whole Vishwa Kutumbam together and make it united and peaceful. And I am sure it will happen. Today, if he can unite this many people, not only here in Europe and other states in this country and India, just tell me, single-handedly, he
always
made it happen. Who can make it? Can we do it alone? Can any one of us do it? But he is the one who went and did it. That shows the divinity of a person, and we should follow that person and make his goals come true. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
2000. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Choose.
What about how much time we can?
We have time until the people will come, so we have a
10
time.
minutes, 15 minutes? or
Then
okay.
yeah, when they come, maybe 20 minutes, half an hour. When they come,
Proceed.
thank you so much to choose our temple to come here and doing beautiful, beautiful work. Actually, that's my dream to do something like that in India. I always talk to my priest that we have to do something. So me planning to open up a Gaushala or shelter for the animals and abuse women in India. I don't know when at the God. It will happen. But thank you so much for me to come. Really appreciate. Unfortunately, we don't have time, that much time to listen to you. I wish some other day I will listen, you know. But we will until the other people will come. So very welcome, warm welcome. And
I'm always here. and
Aate rahiye.
with you.
yeah, whenever you are here, please do come. Always.
Any suggestion and solutions for the world peace and how to get world peace, how to get good health to the world, Mother Earth, all the people, all the people.
Yes. Good health. We have to. I always tell, I try my best because I'm all alone. I'm not open up this temple when I open up so I try to clean this as much as I can because I tell all Desi people to clean the bathrooms because it's very important. And in the COVID, this is the only temple was open when everything was closed. I never feel like I have to close because Baba is here. So I never felt from inside, I don't want to close the doors. So a lot of people got sick and they wanted to do prayer when the relatives were in the hospitals. So this is the only place when they come and they sit with Baba and they do the prayers. So that's I'm proud. I did. They gave me strength not to close the doors for the temple.
When I entered and saw the idol of Baba, immediately, complete, Paripurna Dattavatar Shri Sainath, Paripurna Dattavatar. Who is the father of Baba? No father. Who is the mother? No mother. He has no father and no mother. What is his religion? He does not belong to Hindu, Christianity, Islam, any other religion. His religion is universal religion. Vishwamatam, humanity, that is love, universal love is his religion. All the people belongs to his family. What is his family? We are all his family. He does not preach any speeches like all the great persons. His life is the path to peace and love. Now, the whole world, every religion is telling peace, 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 peace. No peace, pieces of mind. P-I-E-C-E-S, pieces. They are breaking the mind, making the pieces, pieces. P-E-A-C-E, peace. Peace should begin from the individual, from the family. It should be continued until we get peace, universal peace. It is a journey from individual family to universal family. That is his family. So, Baba, real universal Sri Shakti power, which is ruling over the whole universe. Who is responsible for the maintenance of this universe? Baba, 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 Vishwa Sri Shakti. Come on, next. When I remove immediately, the Kundalini began to start from the Muladhara to Sahasrara. Backbone, we are having Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Shuddhi, Ajna, Jnana, Ananda Chakra. 8 chakras are there, not 6 chakras. Patanjali told 6 chakras, but here is Jnana Chakra. Here is Ananda Chakra, 8 chakras. So, Subramanya Shakti, the Kundalini power is moving from the bottom of the backbone to the topest part of the backbone, that is brain, inside the brain. Sahasradhala Padma is there, inside that Ashtadhala Padma is there, inside that what is there? Ananda, bliss, universal bliss is there. So if a person, you, if you attain, if you are successful in making the Kundalini to move from the bottom, bottom to the Sahasrara, Ananda will be there. Get that Ananda. That is Anando Brahma. What is Brahma? Who is God? Ananda Brahma. If you see the God, if you realize the God power, then only Ananda. You see yourself in everybody. In you, in you, in you, in you. If I see any person, I am thinking that I am looking at myself. So there is no scope for envy, jealousy or anything. That is Baba's grace. So Baba is thinking now, the Datta is thinking now to make each and every person powerful, then we will be peaceful. Easiest way to become peaceful, what is that?
To become
Powerful. For every problem, only one solution I am telling, President. Only one solution. What is that? Becoming powerful. If we become powerful, every problem is running away. No problem will be there. Listen to me carefully. A problem is a problem until and unless we can solve it. If we are able to solve the problem, there is no problem. So, what is the solution? To remove all the problems, only to become powerful. Powerful means 5 powers: physical, mental, financial, social, and spiritual. 5 strengths, 5 powers are there. Don't neglect and ignore any power. First, physical power. I need not tell you. Young persons know. They are always wanting to go gym, doing exercises to become slim, active, energetic. Second one, mental, manasika Shakti, the mental power, that's very important. Third, financial. Money is not bad. Money in the hands, bad people, in the hands of the bad people do bad things. Money in the hands of the good people do good things. Only the best example is Bill Gates. After earning much, after becoming the richest person in the world, he is spending so much of money for the people, for the society, all over the world, not only in USA. About financial and social. This is unity. I am very sad. You may ask, Swami, are you also sad? That is not our sad. Why? There is no unity between wife and husband. There is no unity among the people of the family in the house. There is no unity in the country, in the world. What is the beautiful thing? So unity makes us strong. That is the slogan of Vinvayogi Viswanji Maharaj. Unity is our strength. Humanity is our life. Unity is our strength. Humanity is our life. Only one example. You want $1 trillion for to do some good things through our mandir. Very difficult. But I will tell you, it is very easy. If you make 1 trillion people your admirers, if they come and if they say, we will share, each one gets only $1. Million people gives $1, 1 million. Trillion people gives $1, $1, $1, no, difficult to give. That is unity. If you are suffering, 1,000 people comes and we will share. What is your difficulty? No difficulty. So unity is our strength. First, make yourself, your body. Deho devale prapta. We are neglecting, ignoring the body, mind, and our life. Mind is the gift given by the Lord. Body is the gift given by the Lord. Life is the gift given by the Lord. He wants us to do His work on this earth. Are we doing? You are doing. Are we doing? And I am asking like that, not ourselves, all the people. Don't create politics and politics. Don't create confusion among the minds. Don't create battle wars between countries, among the countries, for your selfish political or any selfish motive. Am I correct or not? You think? Now a day has come. The Gurus, Paramagurus who are living in the caves of the Himalayan mountains, in Svetatvipa, every Purnima day midnight, they are having meeting under the leadership of Avatar Babaji. He is alive now itself. Anjaneya is alive now itself. Yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam Tatra Tatra Utamastakajalam Bhashpavari Paripurna Lojanam Maruti Namata Rakshasantakam. If we meditate Rama is not coming, Hanuman is coming and giving blessings and protections. Avatar Babaji is now alive. So they are planning to bring peace to the Mother Earth. And they are thinking and selecting people, and they are sending power, charging power, and through them they want to bring peace to the world. Youth, see her. She is listening carefully. She is listening. That is the power of yoga. Yoga is the divine gift to all the people on the earth. Do yoga 5 minutes morning, 5 minutes evening. That's all. One person asked me, one journalist, only 5 minutes for me. It keeps us healthy, wealthy. Yes, wealthy also, healthy also. 5 minutes you are taking breakfast. 5 minutes you are taking lunch. 5 minutes you are taking dinner or anything. Only 10 minutes. It is keeping, that food is keeping you healthy, wealthy for 2 days, 3 days, 5 days. Oh, am I correct or not, you think? So, do only 5 minutes, yoga, breathing exercise. It purifies the mind, nervous system, blood, digestive system, and saptadhatus will be purified. Saptadhatus, bone marrow,
Flesh.
skin, blood, cerebral fluid, sperm. So, if you listen like this, I will make you to sit until the sunrise. Overnight. I am very happy to come here. It may be, I will be coming next time. I will be taking 2 hours time here. And I am always with you, I will be with you every minute, every second. I am one member of our organization, our mission. And all of you, one thing, one song I sing, I will sing and conclude. ఎవరైనా ఇంకొకటి మాట్లాడతారు, ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్, ఎనీ డౌట్, ఎనీథింగ్, you can stand up and you can ask. Bye, youth. John question number.
What is the best thing we can ask from the God?
Repeat.
What is the best thing we can ask from God?
Best thing.
We can ask.
మనం ఏం అడగచ్చు? బెస్ట్ థింగ్ ఏంటి అడిగేది?
ఎవరిని?
భగవంతుడు.
దేవుడు. You wonder to listen to my answer. We need not ask anything God. Guru knows everything. God knows everything. What is best for us? What is not good for us? So, simply surrender yourself. Surrender yourself to Guru. We can't see the Lord. Lord is the universal Sri power, Vishwa Sri Shakti, pervading all the universe, the whole universe. So, having that power, moving on the earth in a human form is Guru. So we are surprising and we are very proud of Swami Vivekananda. But who is the main reason for making a person marry as Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa? All the people thought that he is a madman like Baba. People also then thought Baba beggar, madman, poor man. We did not ask anything. Only surrender, follow the word of Guru. Put those words, orders into your life and practice it. Then you will become powerful. You will become part and part of Guru's mind. Your mind becomes part and part of Guru's mind. You will enter the magnetic field of the Guru, and there your mind is not working, only the mind of the Guru is working. So you need not worry, you need not think about this and that, but you have to think. And we are moving as a wife, as a housewife, as a mother, as a friend. We have to do our duty. Our Sanatana Dharma did not tell anybody Vairagya to leave all, go to the forest. No, going to the forest is not you need not go to the forest. We are moving in the forest of human beings. We have to move with the grace of the Guru, putting the Guru in our heart. Not only you can put Guru in your heart, but that is not important, I think. We have to get a place in the heart of Guru, that is very important. If we have a place in the heart of Guru, then like Paramahamsa, we can become Vivekananda. If we wish.
Guruji, you just said that हमें magnetic power में आना है गुरु की. तो what we can do to come in the magnetic power? उसकी magnetic power में आने के लिए हमें क्या क्या करना चाहिए? क्या करना चाहिए?
Listen to me. I understand your question. Magnet is there, powerful magnet. Around that, the magnetic field is there. Up to until the magnet power works, that is called magnetic field. An iron piece, pure iron piece enters into the magnetic field. Immediately it becomes magnet. It is a physical science truth. Am I correct or not, boy? Not listening? You. When an iron piece, pure iron piece enters the magnetic field, then it is not an iron piece. It has become magnet. Receiving the magnetic power from the magnet, this also becomes magnet. It can attract another iron piece, extending the magnetic field. There is a magnetic field, that iron piece enters and it is becoming magnet, and it is having its magnetic field, and another magnet enters. That's in the same way the Guru is extending his magnetic field. It is very difficult to understand. It is very difficult. In the same way, in that way, the Parama Gurus, the Avatar Babaji, who are living in the Himalayan mountains, they have their own magnetic fields. But your question, how can we enter into the magnetic field? If Guru wants us to take, then only we can enter. That is the secret. When the Guru wants us to come and dwell in his magnetic field, because if we surrender completely, and if Guru thinks that he must be useful in the future to do my mission, my work in this society, then he will attract, he will purify ourselves, and he makes us to enter into his magnetic field. Then he charges. Why he charges? To discharge our duties properly, and to make his vision successful. It is not easy to understand. It is difficult also, but only surrender yourself to Guru. Work is worship, duty is God. Work is worship, duty is God. I am telling doctors, police officers, IAS, IPS officers also, do your duty. If you are on your duty, I will be with you. You need not come to me, to my body also. That is the thing. You should not be away from your duty. So you are doing. I appreciate, I bless, because you are doing very good. Unitedly you are doing very good service to the society. Not only to the society, you are trying to unite, to make unity between America and India. The same words, you remember Narendra Modi when he was giving message in the United Congress, he addressed AI means America and India. AI, that is artificial intelligence. We can conquer, we can create anything also. I will ask you, who is the father of this AI? There was one person in the past. He is the father of AI, artificial intelligence. Professor Mudali Sharma.
Vishwamitra.
There was a person in the past who is the father of AI, artificial intelligence.
Vishwamitra.
Maharshi Vishwamitra, he Trisanka Swarnam, he created Trisanka Swarnam. That's Roberts, we are calling Roberts. In our Purana time, they created, one Maharshi created one person, go and do that. That is Robert. We have that technique not now, in the past, the olden days also. But what is the pitiable thing is, we are hiding our achievements in the past with a cover, that is religion. Take it off. And tell all the intellect of the world, whole world also. This is our AI, artificial intelligence. For peace, not for domination, not to dominate any country, diminish any country, destroy any country, any religion. Bharatiya Sanatharma, Vatuthaika Kutumbakam, the people who are living on the earth belong to only one family. That is our vision. India vision. India any time did not want, is not wanting, and will be not willing or wanting to destroy any country or to occupy any country also. Well, best example is one example. Prakash. Professor. Indira Gandhi ordered the army to enter into East Pakistan then.
Bangladesh.
We did not occupy that. Immediately, we made them to have their own government. And now it has become Bangladesh. That is the intention and the greatness of India, the great India of the world. In the Ramayana also, Rama conquered Ravanasura, killed Ravanasura, but he did not occupy Lanka. Vibhishana, he made Vibhishana as the emperor of Lanka. That is the greatness of Indian Sanatana Dharma. Am I correct or not? You go to your home, entering into the master bedroom or your bedroom, you think and you will realize it. So, lastly, I am now wanting you all, O parents, O mother and father of your children, I want one gift. What is that gift? Make your children gems of the world and give them to me, not to make them sannyasis. Through the children of the youth of the world, I will reform and bring peace to the whole world. It is the real truth. My army is, my navy, my air force, my army is youth, not old people. Old people have become old. But old people must be like gold to lead and guide the youth. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu, loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shantihi, Shantihi, Shantihi. Listen to this song, I will conclude. ఒకే కుటుంబం మనమంతా
ఒకే కుటుంబం మనమంతా
ఒకే కుటుంబం మనమంతా
ఒకే కుటుంబం మనమంతా
విశాల హృదయం ప్రశాంతి నిలయం విశ్వ కుటుంబం మనమంతా
విశాల హృదయం ప్రశాంతి నిలయం విశ్వ కుటుంబం మనమంతా
ఒకే కుటుంబం మనమంతా
ఒకే కుటుంబం మనమంతా
ఇందాక the sang it. Prakash also sang it. We also. And the meaning, Vake Kutumbam, one family. Vake Kutumbam Manavanta, we all belong to only one family, that is universal family. That is the slogan of Sanatana, not my slogan. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. I told the people who are living on the earth belong to only one family. That is the slogan of Bharatiya Sanatana Dharma. మతాలు ఏవైనా మన కులాలు వేరైనా రిలిజన్స్ మే బి డిఫరెంట్ క్యాస్ట్ మే బి డిఫరెంట్ రేషల్ జాతులు మే బి డిఫరెంట్ రేసెస్ మే బి డిఫరెంట్ అవర్ యాటిట్యూడ్స్ మే బి డిఫరెంట్ బట్ వీఆర్ ఆల్ హ్యూమన్ ఫ్యామిలీ వీఆర్ ఆల్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ సో unite and work for world peace and good health for everyone. That is the mission, that is the ambition, that is the will of this body and the power which is existing in this body. That is the divine will of Parama Gurus of the universe, not world of the universe. I bless you all. This is the first discourse this year after entering into the soil of the
USA.
United States of America. Leaving from Seattle, first entered here and gave the first speech here, discourse. I am very happy. You are very good. Priests also are doing very good. మీరు ఎంత చక్కగా చేస్తే అంత శక్తి వస్తుంది, అట్రాక్టివ్ వస్తుంది, ఆకర్షణ వస్తుంది. యూఆర్ డూయింగ్ వెరీ గుడ్ జాబ్. అక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి చక్కగా చేస్తున్నారు మీరు. అందుకే ప్రీస్ట్ అంతా కూడా ఇక్కడ చేస్తున్నట్టు వాళ్ళు మీరు యూఆర్ డూయింగ్ వెరీ గుడ్. తప్పకుండా చేసిన ఫలితం ఉంటుంది. మనల్ని సమాజం ఒకవేళ పట్టించుకోపోయినా ఇంకొకటి పట్టించుకోపోయినా సమస్యలు వచ్చినా సమస్య లేకుండా ఉండవు ప్రకాష్. Nobody is there in this world on the earth without problems. Everyone is having problems. But how to solve the problems? Think and solve your problem yourself. Otherwise, go to the intellectuals, go to the great persons and ask them to give guidance, to navigate yourself, to get rid of that problem. When we are getting headache or stomachache or anything, we are going to the doctor. When we want to construct a house, we are taking the assistance and guidance of the engineer, architect. When your problem in the income tax, any problem, you are going to the auditor. In the same way, when you are getting any graha dosha, adosha, idosha, this dosha, that dosha, we are asking the priest to do japam and homam or anything. We don't know how to do, but they, for our sake, they do, and we will be benefited. In the same way, if a problem comes to you, if you have to attack, or if you want to solve any problem, if you are unable to solve the problem, then take the advice of intellectuals and solve your problem. There is a program for them. I was told, they told me that you are having Bhagavad Gita class now. Sundarakanda. So we should not be a problem for them. So I want you to solve the problems of the persons, of the family, of the politicians also. We have to make them to suffer also. For what purpose?